Hey lovelies, what's popping? I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to another video. It's your good friend Kish, and today I made some delicious garlic parmesan chicken wings. Let me tell you, these things were so good. Mouth-watering, delicious, absolutely tasty. Like, why do you need to go to the wing shop? You could make this right at home. It's tasty. If you think it's looking real good, definitely hit that likes button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Show your girl some love and support. Now let's get to making them. Thank you. So first I start off with some chicken wings that have been washed and cleaned with vinegar, lemon and water, and they've been patted dry. And then I drizzled some olive oil over it, and then I went in with my blend of powdered seasonings. You already know, some garlic powder, onion powder, Tony's Creole, Slapping Mama, all of that good stuff, and a little bit of a jerk blended seasoning just to give that an extra kick of flavor. Just a little bit, not a lot. It's gonna add a little bit of spice and so on. It has some herbs in it also. And then I'm just going to give the chicken wings a nice massage and get the seasoning on, and that's it. But before that, before I put them in the oven, I go in with some flour with a little bit of baking powder mixed in there, about 1 tablespoon, and I just sprinkle that over the chicken wings and I rub it in also. Once that's nicely done and it got marinated for a bit, now it's time to lay them out on the rack, and I'm doing just that. You could lay them out on whatever pan you like to use. I just like using this one. And of course, when you put them in the oven on air fry, you do each side. I won't be showing that, but I do go in and flip them over on the other side so they can both get air fried. So I put them in the oven on air fry in about 350, and that's what they come out looking like. Nice and golden brown and crispy. These chicken wings right here were already tasty without even, I didn't even finish doing what I'm doing to it yet, but yeah. I'm just going in with a bit of red pepper flakes, some freshly crushed garlic, finely chopped, and then some freshly chopped parsley. That's freshly grated Parmesan cheese. I grated it with the fine side of the grater. And then I also went in with some store-bought powdered Parmesan cheese. The freshly grated was about half cup and the store-bought was a quarter cup. And then I went in with some nice hot melted butter. That was about half cup there. But you know, add as you like. And then I went in and mixed the chicken wings around in the sauce, a little toss, and your chicken wings are ready to be served. I'm really hungry right now just looking at this, and it's time to plate it. I hope you're hungry too. If you are, you think you're looking good, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious food. There you have it. It was absolutely delicious and tasty. These were all gone within minutes. Okay, minutes. They don't last long. They flew out. I hope you absolutely give this a try at home. If you are a cheese person like I am, I think you're going to enjoy this. And now it's time for me to smash. I was getting in on them chicken wings. You could see the excitement on my face. I was ready. I love me some good wings. I really do. These were absolutely delicious, very tasty, a light crisp on the outside, all the flavors coming through. Your girl did that. Alright, until next time, I'm gonna dance my way out of here with this bit of chicken wings. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, love always. Peace out. Bye.